Left hand side, red and black wire. Right hand side, blue and brown wire.
Right, I'm sure I've put them on right way round. If your motor's going opposite way,
Yep.
your wires want swapping over.
Right.
Left to right. But I think I've got it right way round.
What was you saying about these? Swapping what round?
Right. If when you press left, your right motor went,
Yeah.
and you put wires on wrong,
Yeah.
it goes positive, neutral, positive, neutral, positive, neutral. But on bottom of box, it says PN, PN, PN. Those are your power.
Yeah.
That's your right hand wheel. That's your left hand wheel.
Right. Yeah.
If they were wrong way round, it'd just mean that it'd be going in opposite direction.
Yeah.
Right. So these wires are going underneath your Caravan.
Yep.
This box, you've got your battery box
Yep.
on the outside. This goes on inside.
That's under the seat, so.
Under the seat.
Yeah.
At the side of your battery, you'll have a little side cupboard.
Yeah.
That comes out.
Yep.
All that size. Drilled through.
Yep.
Two screws.
Right. Yep.
So that holds that. In your box, I see people put them down at the bottom.
Yep.
Put it nearer to the top.
Yep.
You can put something else underneath it then.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
That only difference it makes. That key comes in and out. So you can take it out,
Yeah.
do whatever. Right. Put that in and turn it.
Yep.
That clicks. Remote, to switch remote on, it says on.
Yep.
Press two buttons.
Two together. Yep.
Green light comes on.
Right.
Backwards,
Yep.
forwards. That will rotate it on one wheel.
Right. Yep.
If you press both, one wheel goes one way,
Right. Yeah.
one wheel goes
So
other,
it turns on a
and your
sixpence.
Caravan will turn on its axis.
Yep.
One up, one down. One down, one up. Forward. Backwards.
Right.
Leave that for a couple of minutes. It'll switch off.
Yep.
Switches off on its own. When you've finished with your Caravan, done, put away,
Yep.
and it's done, switch it off on your key.
Yep.
That'll save your battery.
Right. Yep.
Fixing it, you won't believe how simple.
This is the part I'm.
Right. Your chassis is L-shaped. Comes down and across.
Right.
They're all the same. Your A-frame of your chassis has got a side and a bottom to it.
Yep.
And your side and your bottom will be just like that.
Right.
U-bolts go underneath.
Yep.
Let's start from the beginning. And then we'll know where we are.
I'm into all these sort of gadgets, man. Right, gadget man. She wasn't particularly impressed on it. On getting one of these
All right.
until
Oh,
we got the Caravan.
yeah.
We've only just got the Caravan and we're pushing it into where we've got a storage site. So we're pushing it into the storage. Bloody murder, moving it halfway into the space. We realised I left the handbrake on, but it wasn't working properly anyway.
Right.
So anyway, we got it in, and then we went on. Was it Saturday, Sunday with my son-in-law? He's a mechanic. Anyway, he was going to look at the brakes and everything, whatever. And a couple came back in the Caravan, and he's there like.
So I said,
And she
right,
said,
you
right.
convinced me.
Powrtouch are the best there is.
Yeah.
The strongest, the best there is. This one, I didn't realise, it's got uprated motors on it.
Right.
It's got soft start on it, which the
Right,
new
yeah,
ones have.
yeah, right.
So when you push your remote,
Yeah.
it doesn't go bang into
Yeah.
12 volts. It goes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it starts it off slow.
Yeah.
And you let go of your button and it's dead stop. It's not going to go another inch. When you've let go of that button,
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
stopped.
Yeah.
Right. So we'll start pretty much from the beginning with this. 2 U-bolts go underneath.
Yep.
That goes on top,
Yep.
which sits. That, your chassis is there.
Right, yeah.
Right. This has got a raised edge to it.
Yep.
That is the thickness of what your chassis is.
Right.
So that is going that way.
So the lips are on the downward side.
On the downward side, on that side,
On
to
the inside.
compensate for your chassis. It compensates for your chassis being there.
Right, yeah.
That was on there. The only thing that I would possibly change, if I was you, I'd buy some new Nylox.
Right, yeah.
Nylox are only supposed to be used once.
Yeah. I'll get them off my son-in-law.
They're M8s.
Right, yeah.
They might be 4 or 5 pence each. But me personally, I'd put new ones on just because.
You could hear it in your voice when you phoned, you know, like the panic.
I won't. If I'd got something that was not quite right,
Yeah.
I'd say it's such and such,
Yeah.
but.
We like that, aren't we?
Yeah.
And when I've advertised something as in perfect working order, and then I went and did that, I couldn't believe it. And I felt for you
Yeah.
because you'd set off. You know,
We haven't got too far though.
yeah, but
really,
it's
have we?
like
Stop what
you've got to think: is this bloke winding us up, or is he genuine, or you know what I mean? And
No,
it's
like
just
I said,
like
Just said we
I could
just
tell
got
with your
something
voice.
for you.
But years and years ago, I mess about with video and I used to do wedding videos. But before I started, I think I bought it from Mappings, like a little circuit board where it makes your video fade to black.
yeah,
And I built it and everything, and was doing this video of a church. I just built this church, and it was like, what are you videoing? And yeah, I'll do it. I'll fade it to black and fade in and fade out and everything. And I did it, and like you, I put the battery, I put the connections on the wrong one. It went poof. And you know why? And I sat there, and I couldn't do the fade to black or anything. So it scuffed me up. Yeah,
so that's how they go.
yeah,
And I'll leave these on here,
right, yeah,
and then you know what's what.
Yeah.
When they're on, this
that stopped.
slides onto your chassis.
Bloody thing.
So put this on your chassis,
Yeah,
push it up,
yeah,
so that just sits there.
yeah.
That one sits the other side, and they just the book's there with all the instructions in,
Yeah.
but it says between 20 and 25 mil.
Yeah, that's an inch.
Yeah, between
Under an
3/4
inch,
and an
yeah,
inch.
yeah.
But both sides need to be the same.
Yeah,
If you've got one that's tighter than the other, it's putting more pressure on one
Yeah,
wheel.
so
So
it'll
your
wear it
caravan,
out,
well,
yeah.
it'll
It.
turn your caravan
Right.
because one will be doing more work than the other is.
Yeah.
So it'll turn it that way instead of coming back straight.
yeah,
There you go there.
right.
On your, when you put your legs down on your caravan,
Yeah,
you've got some sort of a
yeah, the ratchet thing. Yeah,
ratchet thing or whatever
Brace.
it is.
Yeah.
It's a 19mm socket.
yeah,
When it's on, this turns from there
yeah,
to there, and that's taken up that
that
inch.
inch. Yeah, that's pushing it against
You
the
can
wall.
see it on there.
Ah, right. Yeah.
That's coming back.
Yeah,
When you do it, make sure you've gone all the way over it, sprung loaded.
Right, yeah.
and you'll feel it. It'll go over, and then and
Yeah.
you know it's on. When you put your wires on,
Yep.
put your first clip about there.
Yep.
Don't have your wires tight,
Right, yeah.
because that's got to move.
Yeah.
That's
Otherwise
going
it'll pull
forward,
the wires, yeah.
and it'll just take your wires off your
Yeah.
connectors. And it's as simple as that to fit. For your width,
Yep.
when you push it up,
Yep. Whatever it sits at, then you tighten them
that
up.
slides in there,
Yep.
that slides in there.
Yep.
So you've got whatever adjustment,
Yep.
and obviously tighten those down, tighten your lock nut down, tighten that.
Yeah, and then not
Is
yet.
it a guard dog you've got, or just a friendly dog, or what? A bit of both.
If you know that somebody's come into my house and I'm still there talking,
Yeah.
it's as soft as anything.
Right. But
If
if
you
you're not
was-
there,
If I wasn't about and you walked down there,
yeah.
I would want to be responsible because he's a big bastard. He is big.
We've got 2 hours.
He's an English shepherd. An English shepherd, they breed, whereas German shepherds, the hind legs are bent,
Yeah.
horses are on the floor, he's square,
Right.
and they're building them back towards, breeding them back towards the wolf as what they
Right.
should be.
I bet it's lovely.
Are you alright with dogs?
Yeah, we're fine. We've got 2 chihuahuas, and my daughter's got a Staffy.
Barely straightforward, isn't it?
Yeah.
When you keep holding it.